Oh, look at this.
Yeah. What is this?
Mickey
Oh, it's a
Mouse.
Mickey Mouse.
Oh, the baby.
Yeah.
She's a boy child. Oh, what's that? Look at
Yeah, can you put some ornament on this? Sure. So we're gonna decorate Christmas tree today.
Look at this.
Yeah, you can make it prettier, like skirt. So pretty, isn't it?
Look at this.
Yeah. Bowl.
Oh, I made. Look at this.
Oh, look, that's so pretty. Should I put it here on top?
Look at this. This is a boy child. Sarah. What's on fire?
Green. Thank you.
I want green.
You want green here?
I want blue.
Oh, you want blue? That's green, I guess.
I want a blue.
Yeah, yeah.
What are you doing today?
Christmas.
Christmas.
Nana?
Mm,
Nana?
thank you.
Nana green.
You go green?
And green. Oh, look at this.
Oh, that's pretty, man.
Boy. Oh, green. Oh, no. Ow! My Christmas job.
Christmas John.
Oh, it's naked. Hey, let's do the light.
Oh. Christmas.
Yes.
I know what's coming.
Santa Claus will be coming.
Let's go over there. Yeah.
Wow.
Look at this.
The outlet. What are you making?
Make a cake.
You're making cake. What kind of cake is this?
Fruit.
Fruit cake?
Fruit cake.
What's inside?
Bananas.
Bananas. And what are you gonna put?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Very good.